Hey guys, last week I did a video on crimping 357 Magnum projectiles with no crimp groove. I have the same projectiles, except this video is for 38 Special. Lee makes two dies for crimping 38 Special and 357 Magnum. You have to get two different dies to do two different jobs. You can't use 357 Magnum to crimp the 38 Special. You can't use a 38 Special die to crimp the 357 Magnum. These bullets don't have a crimp yet. Again, this is 38 Special. Here, let me show you up close if I can. You probably can't see that on camera. Well, I have a hard time telling just by looking at it. I kind of got to do a feel, and these are definitely not crimped. I'm not sure if you can tell. Yeah, I can tell. Yeah, you can definitely feel it though. You can feel that crimp is there. Got 4,000 of these projectiles before I knew, I really knew what I was doing, and none of them have the cannula. So I'm really glad I found these dies. Okay, the ultimate test is whether they pass the ammo checker. This is a 38 Special ammo checker. They should fall right out without having to shake the ammo checker. Perfect ammunition. No case buckling. That's with the Lee taper crimp die for 38 Special.